saying sorry even if it wasn't your fault, just to save the relationship.
Never do that.
I'll always do that.
It will spoil your relationship. I've done it. It got ruined. It ruined my life.
But let's have a conversation after that, no? After saying sorry.
नहीं, उसके बाद तो उसको लगेगा कि वही जीत गई ना, वही ठीक.
तो लगने दो, प्यार में इतना तो चलता है यार. नहीं?
Don't make the same mistake she's made. I want to save your life. I'm more experienced. बहुत ठोकर
See,
खाई.
I'm crazy in love. So what?
Never say sorry first.
Okay.
Wait.
Done. Keeping every memory of your past love alive.
Past? Love life?
Love alive, like हर memory हर photo रखना है.
नहीं,
Oh.
भंगार में दे दो. फौरन. कोई फायदा नहीं.
Memory नहीं रखनी.
नहीं, कोई मेमोरी तो इधर रहता है ना, वो देख के क्या फिर मेमोरी थोड़ी हो. मेमोरी नहीं रहेगा तो वो दिखना पड़ेगा आपको कि भाई हाँ अच्छा ये आदमी था ऐसे.
Today some different dog has
मेमोरी
bitten so
रहेगा
much.
तो वो सब देखने का क्या जरूरत है.
Maybe a puppy.
वो तो मेमोरी कार्ड रहता है ना, उसमें रहता है.
No, I do keep memories, photos and all that. मेरा वो wipe out हो जाता है कभी-कभी phone से, जो हुआ था. Then I didn't have any voice notes and all, but photos I do.
Checking your partner's phone because you're curious.
No, not at all. So क्या
No?
बोलने का? No.
You don't? I always check.
Ew.
जरा सा भी बाथरूम कहेगी क्या दे? किसका फोटो दे? बैलेंस कितना है बैंक? सब चेक करता हूँ. किसको जीपे किया?
Okay.
मालूम रहना चाहिए ना.
Wanting to know every single detail about your partner's day.
Day? हाँ yeah. It's so lovely ना. इश्क. क्या किया आज दिन में?
For you?
कंटाला था मेरे को.
Hi, I'm Aditi Pohankar
Hi, I'm Sumit Vyas.
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
So I have a small game for you.
Okay.
उसका नाम है जिद्दी और इश्क. मैं आपको situations दूंगी. आपको बताना है कि वो situation आपके हिसाब से जिद्दी है या it's इश्क, innocent. Fighting for someone even when they have moved on.
Ziddi. Sorry. What is ishq in that? There's no ishq in it. It's madness.
It's a ziddy thing to do.
Moved on, man. Go.
दूसरा आएगा.
Wow.
और यहाँ पे कोई और रहेगा, उससे बात कर.
Keeping every memory of your past love alive.
नहीं,
Oh.
भंगार में दे दो. फौरन. कोई फायदा नहीं.
Memory नहीं रखनी.
नहीं, कोई मेमोरी तो इधर रहता है ना, वो देख के क्या फिर मेमोरी थोड़ी हो. मेमोरी नहीं रहेगा तो वो दिखना पड़ेगा आपको कि भाई हाँ अच्छा ये आदमी था ऐसे.
Today some different dog has
मेमोरी
bitten so
रहेगा
much.
तो वो सब देखने का क्या जरूरत है.
Maybe a puppy.
वो तो मेमोरी कार्ड रहता है ना, उसमें रहता है.
No, I do keep memories, photos and all that. मेरा वो wipe out हो जाता है कभी-कभी phone से, जो हुआ था. Then I didn't have any voice notes and all, but photos I do.
So for you it's ishq.
Ishq.
For you it's ziddi. Loving someone who doesn't love you back.
Ah, that's okay. Ishq.
For you?
I also love someone who doesn't love me back. I won't tell you who. Someone big.
Someone big?
Big as in older or big in stature?
Think about it.
Oh, shit, that also I have to think. What is this?
Okay.
She's scandalized. She's going to go running backwards now.
That's what he wants, I think.
Huh?
Run away from me.
Yeah.
Checking your partner's phone because you're curious.
No. Not at all. So क्या
No?
बोलने का? No.
You don't?
Eh.
I
not at
always
all.
check.
Ew. It's
जरा
so
सा भी
weird.
बाथरूम कहेगी क्या दे? किसका फोटो दे?
Today.
बैलेंस कितना है बैंक? सब चेक करता हूँ. किसको जीपे किया?
Okay.
मालूम रहना चाहिए ना.
Right.
फिर?
Oh
So
my
आपके
God.
लिए it's ishq.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is
for you
called
it's
this
Ziddi.
madness.
Necessity.
No, Ziddi then.
Always. जब भी वो लोग पासवर्ड चेंज करे तो ऐसे देखते रहने. क्या किया? And then pretend like मैंने देखा ही नहीं. बाद में
Okay. Waiting years for closure that you may not get.
No, ishq. I would wait for closure.
I don't wait. I close.
See,
Okay.
that's a
Bye.
yeah. Cast.
एकदम different answers आ रहे हैं. Choosing your heart over logic every single time.
Ishq. Always heart, no logic.
Always logical. I don't do stupid things like
I think
that.
let him answer first. Maybe he's
Yeah.
saying exact opposite purposely.
Okay. Saying sorry even if it wasn't your fault just to save the relationship.
Never do that.
I'll always do that.
It will spoil your relationship. I've done it. It got ruined. It ruined my life.
But let's have a conversation after that, no? After saying sorry.
नहीं उसके बाद तो उसको लगेगा कि वही जीत गई ना, वही ठीक.
तो लगने दो. प्यार में इतना तो चलता है यार. नहीं?
Don't make the same mistake she's made. I want to save your life. I'm
I'll
more
take care.
experienced. बहुत ठोकर
See,
खाई.
I'm crazy in love. So what?
Never say sorry first.
Okay.
Wait.
Done. I'll take that advice.
Don't take that advice. Guys are different, girls are different. You know that, right? Mars, Moon, whatever, Jupiter. Yeah.
Wanting to know every single detail about your partner's day.
Day. हाँ yeah. It's so lovely ना. इश्क. क्या क्या किया आज दिन में?
For you?
कंटाला था मेरे को. क्यों जानना है?
Such a oh God, thank
दिन
God.
में क्या किया, किधर बैठे, क्या खाया, यही इसी वजह से रिश्ते खराब
अरे
होते
but you don't ask
भागते
what.
लोग.
What did you do?
नो,
खाया हुआ या नहीं? What did
If
you
she's
do?
telling you then?
Yeah.
वो बता देते हैं ना, पूछने का मौका ही नहीं देते ना.
हाँ.
आपके सीधा बताना शुरू कर दो तो मैं पूछूंगा कब,
Right. तो आप सुनते हो?
क्या करूंगा, और नहीं तो मैं जाके फिर बाथरूम में बैठता हूँ.
बाथरूम में बैठ के रोना that that's why you
नहीं,
do.
बैठा रहता हूँ मैं,
अच्छा, बैठ-
देखता हूँ कि वो थक गए, अभी कुछ और कर रहे हैं, फोन पे कुछ देख रहे हैं रील, फिर मैं बाहर आता हूँ. नहीं तो फिर वो पूरा बताएंगे कि क्या किया, किससे मिले, क्या खाया.
Okay.
I to ask, can I also tell? Because otherwise, why are you
Time
with that
waste है
person?
सब.
Right. Falling in love too fast without thinking about the consequences. कि आगे क्या होगा.
Of course. Otherwise, why would you fall in love? What are consequences in love? There are no consequences. You fall in love, break your head, come out. It's okay.
That I've done. I've fallen in love immediately, and the consequences are that I didn't get the love back. When I saw Kate Winslet, I fell in love. एक तरफा प्यार. अब तक एक भी मैसेज का जवाब नहीं दिया. मैं उसको लिखता हूँ रोज,
इसीलिए आप
इंस्टाग्राम
ऐसे
पे
हैं.
लिखता हूँ, केट सुन मेरी बात, बार बार तू
अरे
ठोकर खा
उसे
रही
हिंदी
है.
समझ नहीं आ रही है.
अच्छा,
Talk to her in English.
English.
Thinking love can fix everything.
Obviously, there's no other way. And communication. I'm sure you
It
don't
can.
say
अभी ये बोल रही है
Oh.
तो because I've never experienced this, but maybe she's right.
Love is the strongest emotion. That's the only thing that can fix things. He's staring at me or what?
Not revenge.
Yeah, look at him. He's like, I can see it from here. What he does with other people's phones.
Showing anger only because you care too much.
Bored now. Answer this question.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, if you're going to, like my cat also, if you're going to go out there, run behind the frog, I'm going to tell him, stop it, because I love, I care. Even with you for that matter. I mean, not you, but someone.
Yeah.
Because I care, I would say, don't eat this, don't do that, don't smoke, don't drink too much. Yeah.
You?
I show anger because I just want to punish that person. Not because I love them. I want to humiliate them.
My God.
I want them to suffer.
Oh my God.
So I show anger, and then
Sumit, are you
then they
preparing for a part
learn
or
their
something like
lesson.
the Joker or something like? Are you preparing for some
No.
destruction?
I'm just tired of pretending to be someone else. Now I want to be myself. This is me.
Okay, last one. Forgiving someone who broke your trust, but you still love them.
Never do that. Don't forgive. Think of ways how you can destroy their life, destroy their
But you
phone.
love them.
But they broke your heart. Now it's over.
Okay.
Now you think of unique ways to ruin their lives. Mix something in their food. Not to kill them. Just they'll have upset stomach. They'll suffer that whole day. If अगर उनको थोड़ा गला खराब है तो कुछ ठंडा ला के दो उनको सामने.
Good, it's your last question because otherwise everybody will run away from you by now. I would forgive, not because of love or whatever. I think
सब
forgiveness.
झूठ बोलती है ये.
नहीं, I शपथ. I know no truth. Real.
I'll tell you about her ex.
Yeah.
I didn't forgive. He's
Completely forgiven, forgotten not, but forgiven. Yes. Because of love, no, you can't forget people.
Right. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
It was great
It's
talking
had
to
an
you.
impact on you.
Yes.
I
I
hope
clearly
this
see
was
that.
an enlightening
Yes.
interview for you.
Yes, very much.
Now, when you get out of here, you'll be a changed human.
She needs a drink right
Yeah.
now. Look at her face.
ओके ऑडियंस को बता दीजिए कब और कहाँ देख सकते हैं हम जिद्दी इश्क
21 नवंबर जियो हॉटस्टार जिद्दी इश्क।
Hi, I'm Aditi Pohankar,
Hi, I'm Sumit Vyas.
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.